2 meanings, 6 examples, synonyms of the phrasal verb come from. The first meaning of this verb, to be born or raised in a particular place, or to belong to a particular family or background. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? She comes from a small village in Italy. She comes from a small village in Italy. He comes from a family of teachers. He comes from a family of teachers. You can use the synonym be from. I'm from a small town. The second meaning, to be made from something, or to have a particular source or origin. Chocolate comes from cocoa beans. Chocolate comes from cocoa beans. The idea for the project comes from a real story. The idea for the project comes from a real story. Coffee comes from South America. Coffee comes from South America. Synonyms. Be made from. Paper is made from wood. Originate from. This tradition originates from ancient times. Wherever you come from, may your English journey take you far.